Hi everybody, today we're here in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park and we're going to take a hike up to Grotto Falls, one of my favorite, well, waterfalls to hike to. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
Here we are at Grotto Falls. Let's see if we can get lucky and find some parking. Well, there's no parking here at Grotto. I see that the llamas are out and about. And we were totally right about no parking at all. So right now they're actually redoing the Trillium Gap Trail. And this is the trail here that you will take to get to Grotto Falls. And they've done quite a bit of improvements on this trail, starting right here with these steps. Trillium Gap Trail to Grotto Falls, 1.4 miles, or you can continue on and go to Mount LeConte at 6.7 miles. But this is where our journey begins today. You can see Gatlinburg through those trees. Anakista is just over to the bottom right. We came up to our first water crossing here. They've actually redone this. You got to kind of hop over a little bit, but it's been nicely redone. We're coming up to our next water crossing here. Not too bad at all. You gotta hop to that. Of course, there's the beautiful little stream. Let's cross over. You can hear the chippies up there. They try to imitate like rattlesnakes or something. It's a beautiful hike. It's only 65 degrees here on the mountain today. Normally we do this like what, 95?
Yeah.
95 degrees, guys. There's a nice breeze coming up the mountain here. But oh, there's also cell phone service for most. Of course, Gatlinburg being down there, you're going to pick up some of the cell phone communication. Beautiful, beautiful hike. This hike here will really make you feel like you're hiking in the mountains. Today, with it being quite busy actually, won't feel like that, but in the off season, it's actually pretty quiet out here. Well, there it is, Grotto Falls. They've really improved the trail since last time we were here. There goes Dawn behind the falls. Here we are at Grotto Falls, the only waterfall you can actually walk behind. And we're actually in this little cave right here. We made it back. Yes, it was a great hike. A lot of folks today. It was beautiful. Beautiful, yeah. 65 degrees here, which was just perfect. What did you think about the hike?
It was just absolutely breathtaking and beautiful, and it was a low of 65, so it wasn't scorching hot today as well.
I will say that if you never hiked before, this could be a strenuous hike. But if you hike or you do, you've done some, then this is probably just a moderate hike. It's not too bad. It's only a mile and 3 up and a mile and 3 back, so you'll get in about just over 3 miles. Definitely one tip is to get here early and find a place to park, because parking can be, well, just crazy. But that's going to do it for today here in the Great Smoky Mountains. And if you like this vlog, give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe so you don't miss these upcoming Smoky Mountain adventures. We have Smoky Mountain adventures every single day. We do food reviews, we do hotel reviews, we hike the Smokies, Dollywood, and what have you. And until next time.
Thanks for watching.
Bye,
Bye
everyone.
everybody.